Hi friends, let me show you this new chandelier, crystal chandelier that I received for reviewing purposes. These are the actual crystal pendants that we're going to install. They look great. And let me show you the main chandelier body. This is it. It has 8 light bulb sockets. And you get all the accessories to install it. Some other parts of it. These are all the clips to put the crystal pendants, some other accessories. So let's install it here and see how it looks. Thank you. As you can see, it is a beautiful chandelier. You can adjust the height from the ceiling. We put it like that because we like how it looks in this dinner room. And let me show you, when you turn it on, how beautiful it looks. All the crystal pendants, they light up with the light bulbs light. So it's a nice chandelier if you want a new chandelier for your home, for your dining room, for living room, for the entrance of your home, even your office. This is a very nice option. Thank you.